Hey, this is Matt with Vetcher Wrench, and I'm going to repair a 2013 GMC Terrain Denali. So here it is. As she starts the vehicle, it kind of lags a little bit. So I'm suspecting that this battery is getting weak. She just had her windows tinted, and the guy who was installing her tint noticed that the battery was dying. So he put a little battery tender on there to kind of boost it back up, but ever since then it's just kind of starting pretty weak. So I'm going to go ahead and take this ECM off, and we'll check out that battery and see how old it is maybe, and check the terminals, check the voltage and cranking amps, and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, man, only 10.2 volts. Yeah, it's pretty dead. Surprised it's starting. Alright, so that's good. Yeah, obviously the alternator is working, but that battery is very weak at 10.2 volts. So I'm going to advise that we, swap out that battery. I'm going to check the codes and see what her codes show. She said she had service. The power steering light was on, and that can also be a sign of a weak battery. So I'm going to go check that. So I'll use my AWD Link MX here. Alright, so those are all cleared. So it could have been from the low battery, potentially, losing communication with the HVAC module. We'll just make sure it works here. So yeah, she's got air coming out. Now it's showing pretty good voltage. She just drove over here, so it should have been up. Alright, I'm gonna hit the lights and see what this does. So yeah, headlights are on, and that sucker dropped way down. So I just turned on the headlights, and it dropped from 12.7 down to 10 volts, and we're still dropping. So that battery is super weak. Cut the lights. It should rebound. Yeah, it's rebounding, but not very well. So I'm going to take off that ECM, and we'll see if I can find a year on this, because that battery is pretty much shot. Alright, so this customer wants to go ahead and replace that battery, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I already ordered the new one at Advanced Auto Parts. That's where I get most of my parts, and so it'll be ready to pick up and exchange when I get there. There we go. Okay. There's that. And let's see if I can move this out of the way a little bit. Get my wrench. So this customer's grandma is my neighbor, so she is kind enough to just bring her car over to me, and so I don't even have to go anywhere, which is pretty nice. That could be a tight fit to get out of there. Oh man, what a pain. This whole thing has to come off now. Alright. I did see that Advanced Auto Parts tells their customers not to replace this battery because it takes, I forget what the wording was, but it was kind of funny. I think it said it required expert installation, I think is what it said. So I didn't double check the internet or YouTube to see what this entailed, but I didn't think it was going to be too bad, and I mean it's really not that bad. It's just a little more tedious and extra work than just a normal standard battery. Okay. So a lot of times I'll put the bolt back down, or like the nut and bolt where I got them, just so they don't, just so I don't lose them. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then let's see if I can lift this thing out of here. Okay. Let's see if I can see a date on there. I do not see a date. I don't know what that is all about there. It feels a little expanded on that side too, so yeah, Detroit, Michigan. I bet this was original battery. So anyways, I got that done. I'm gonna go ahead and run to the store, pick up that battery, and we'll get this replaced. Alright, all set. I'm going to run to the store and I'll be back. And yeah, so this had a lagging while starting issue, and I just went ahead and replaced that battery. And so, yep, it's underneath that ECM This panel's got to come off, and then it exposes the battery pretty well. So pretty easy, but yeah, got that done, and starts up nice and strong again. No more lagging, not dropping below 12 volts when the headlights are on now. So yep, this will be a happy customer, and I am happy that I could help her. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks. Have a great day.